Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And we're looking at a Tiger engine. Now, we've decaled it and pulled the prop off because he has no split nose bowl. But you might notice that down here, we've adapted something to the exhaust. And what we're doing is we're taking this shop vac on blow mode, and we're going to pressurize the exhaust system. Customer hears one of those classic exhaust leaks. You can smell a little bit of the exhaust in the aircraft right after you start it. So we're looking for the leak. And so what we're going to do is we're going to pressurize the exhaust system, and then we're going to spray soapy water on all the fittings and look for the leak. So here we go. It'll be a little noisy. I'll just knock it out of the video for you. And what that is a broken weld on this riser. The weld is actually released. So we're going to be removing and replacing this riser. You might have noticed that we're also getting some blow-by from the bead clamp. So while we're doing this one, we'll take it all apart and re-put it back together with Walker acoustical seal, and we'll check the other side too. But it's a real quick way of identifying if you have any problems in your exhaust system. So I'm going to turn the vacuum back on and give you a little bit more video of all the risers being hit, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Yeah, these are all leaking. And just to make sure we don't have any more leaks up here. Now, we found the leak. All right. So the good news is that we found this one crack right up here. So we're going to go ahead and be able to dropping this portion of the exhaust system and taking a look at it. So we've actually identified that leak. You can see the little hole right here in the riser off the exhaust system. You can see it this way too. And then you can see the crack in the weld all through here. It's more than halfway around. So this pipe was not long from vibration to just snapping off. So we're gonna go find a serviceable riser for a Tiger and put it back on the airplane. So we hope you found all this informative and useful. Really hope you never have this problem on your airplane, but here's how you identify it. And thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.